Alright, today I have a Whirlpool stovetop oven, alright, and I'm going to show you how to set the time or the clock, whichever way you want to call it. Currently you see it's 2 o'clock right here. That is not correct time. We're going to adjust it to the correct time. So there's a lot of buttons on here. Don't get confused. Just come over here until you see clock. Do you see this right here? It says clock. I'm going to go ahead and press this. And now I can adjust the time. Right here I can adjust the hour. That's the first option. Alright. And then I am going to adjust the minute. Alright, I'm going to press clock again. It goes to the minute. Alright, and I can adjust the minute. And once I get it to the right time, come back over here to clock. Press it again, and the time is set. Now that's how you set the time on a Whirlpool stovetop oven. Let me know if you have any questions.